Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making oven roasted pumpkin seeds. In the last episode we made some pumpkin puree, but that's not the only thing you can make from a big pumpkin. So, let's start.
Start by de-seeding your pumpkin. This works best by using a spoon and scraping everything out. Next, pick out all of the individual seeds from all the pumpkin flesh. This may take a while, but I find it very relaxing. Once you picked out all the seeds, rinse them under some cold water. Drain them and dry them on a kitchen towel. They have to be really dry. This helps them become way more crispy. Once they are dry, put them in a bowl. Add smoked paprika powder, some chili powder, freshly ground black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix everything together until every seed is coated evenly. Grab a baking sheet and lightly oil it to prevent the seeds from sticking. Spread out all of the pumpkin seeds and put it on a 180 degrees Celsius oven for around 20 minutes or until they have a brown color. Let them cool down and enjoy!
And that's it! It was super fun to make, right? I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future videos of me. And let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next one.